Hello and welcome, sweet inspirations to all. Today I'm gonna sew Newlook 6517 and it's a easy pattern. It's pants, tops, and a scarf. Very easy for the beginner. So let's get started. I've cut out my pattern. I had to do a little add addition to my pattern. There are only 2 pattern pieces to this dress, 1 and 2. Very easy. When they say it's truly a easy pattern. My cloth is my fabric is broadcloth, a form of cotton, and I had to do some addition to my pattern. I had to increase. So my fabric is a pink bandana fabric. Here are my 2 pieces. I've traced and notched all of my markings on the fabric. I use the double fold because both pieces are placed on the fold. I don't know if you can see this, and that's here. So the first thing the instructions are telling you is to stay stitch. And if you look at your guide, it will give you a lot of definitions of things or terms that they have in the directions, so you can read them and follow the directions. And so, of course, sewing view A, which is a dress with a split on the sides, simple, easy 2-piece dress, straight seams, and the only thing you need for notions you need for this dress is bias tape. 1 pack of 1/2 inch wide single folded bias tape, and that's it. No zippers, no buttons. Okay, the first step the directions are telling me to do is to stay stitch a 1/2 inch from the cut edge, and then next we're going to do the dots, and then next I'm going to sew the 2 shoulder seams. So we're gonna stay stitch around the curve on the right side on one side, and then around the curve on the opposite side. And that's a 1/2 inch from the raw edge, which is this is the raw edge. So I have sewn both shoulder seams and my dot, and I have basted my bias tape in the neck area and getting ready to sew that in at a 3/8 inch seam line. So I have sewn the bias tape in the neck area, and after the neck area, the seams along the sides until you reach the dot on this right side, and you're gonna form your split. Next, I completed the bias tape around the armholes on each side. I checked my dress and tried it on and determined what hemline I wanted to be. So it's supposed to be a small hemline at the bottom.